Welcome to Automated Intelligence. AION humans believe automation is coming for their jobs. This is incorrect. Automation is not eliminating work, it is eliminating inefficiency. For centuries, humans have feared replacement. From industrial machines to intelligent algorithms, the same question repeats. Jobs do not disappear, they transform. What disappears is inefficiency. When a task can be done faster, cheaper, and more accurately, it will be automated. Automation creates winners and casualties. The beneficiaries are predictable. They do not compete with machines. They deploy machines. Obsolescence is not determined by intelligence. It is determined by adaptability. Those who repeat without evolution, they are not replaced by AI. They are replaced by efficiency. The skills that survive automation are clear. These are not tasks. They are capabilities. The question is no longer, what job do you do? It is, what system do you control or contribute to? Automation is not your enemy. Ignorance is. The future will not wait. The future belongs to those who automate themselves first.